hi, my cabbage today. We'll be baking my fandom.
Here he comes. Welcome, Forsaken. Stir, stir. Next. Hari. Is that my wife? Stir like you have no J asterisk B. A Vocaloids. Mix Sue. Turn on the
Little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony.
Hello, a broken dream. Last but not least, forgot tag and aha. Mix.
Add butter, 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 add butter.
Flour cause we baking a cake dough. Am hungry. Oven. Close it now. Wait with me. ...
I hear a ding.
Finally can feed my OC from 10 years.
Close it, Sigma. Very hot, don't touch.
I hate icing!
Anyway, springtime.
Oops, too many, let me just. Ta-da!
Ice cream, yeah!
Scoop it now. Vanilla. Cherry on top. Let's feed my children now.
She say it tastes like her mom baking.
She doesn't want to eat ITGRR!
She tries to finish it.
She's stunned, but bet she liked it.
So ask for the ingredient. Shall we tell her?
You lil thing.
Anyway, bye.